doing? The camera's pointing that way at the box.
Well, I'm trying to take all this shit out so I can get all the other stuff out. Oh, there's 4 of them. I thought it was only 3.
Like a tripod?
Yeah, it is 3. That's the
Yankee thing. Okay, wiggle. Oh. I hate laundry money. 1 load, 2 loads, 3 loads.
Fuck, that's heavy.
4 loads. You still can't lift it? 4, 5.
The fucking hydraulic is so fucking heavy. Holy fuck. This shit's like a fucking, like 80 pounds. I could make one of this.
So we should return and get the cheaper one?
No. No, I could like, retrace everything and then just build one. But that shit would be expensive though, the hydraulic one. But there's other ways to do it.
So I have enough for 8 loads and 1 wash. Not bad. 8 loads, like wash and dry, and then I have, so almost 9 loads, sorry. Should have said that. I took it out of the thing because I know you're going to go in it and take the change, so I took it out of the pig. You okay, Rusty? You okay? What's wrong, buddy? I don't know. He's running now. He's running now.
What's up, buddy?
Oh. I don't know, he was staring at something funny.
Oh. Cats can see stuff.
Yeah, guys, you don't need a... What are those things called? You don't need a paranormal. You just need a freaking animal. It will tell you if you got the fucking ghost. Trying to show me.
Oh, you want to see my nuts?
Yeah. Suck on my nuts. You're not gonna wear both gloves?
Well, I'm gonna read the manual. It's kind of hard to flip pages with one.
You're actually gonna read the manual?
Yeah, just to hook it all like those 2 places.
I'm so proud of you. You never read a manual.
Dude.
No, you fucking...
I fucking read manuals.
You liar, pants on fire.
When I was reading the manual for that fucking thing.
You read it after the fact. You didn't read it while doing it. You read it after you set it up. It's not reading manual. Oh, look, it's like a tripod, guys. Man, see, all we needed that.
I know, that's why I wanted this one, so you don't have to bolt it right to the ground. Because this one, like, you know what I mean? Like, you don't have to.
Where the hell would you even bolt it? Like, honestly.
That's why I didn't get it.
You can't
That's
bolt
why I
it to
wanted this one,
cement.
because this one, you know what I mean? You don't have to do much. It's just, it holds it inside the machine, and the machine holds everything together and bend it, so it doesn't. That's why it can just stand there.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted this one, and plus it was a good one, so.
Expensive. And it was on fucking sale, guys, and it was still $500. Pricey. But
And it's from Quebec.
But you can't put a price on things when it comes to Rick.
Well, that's the price of one built shit.
Look at that. So cute. It's like a midget can work on it. Does it go any higher than that? It's gonna hurt my back.
Oh, you sit and you.
Oh, you sit.
It's good. Well, see, this goes on top of here, right? And this plate goes on top. And if you hook up to a compressor, and then you don't have to do much, the whole thing does it. But then you have this, and then you can just pump it up.
Is that thing heavy? Is that what weighs 117 pounds?
All this.
The thing on the ground? What? Oh.
Well, even this is pretty like 10 pounds.
Just like your tires you tried telling me earlier today that I carried. Like a champ. I carried in both arms. I carried that shit like nothing. I pumped it. I pumped it. Now, guys, that's the pin. Ooh. We gotta get a compressor soon. I seen this really cute one. It's DeWalt, but it's only 6. Yeah. Rick?
Yeah.
It's only 6 gallons. We need a more stronger one. But it was DeWalt. It was so adorable. But it was only 6 gallons, which doesn't do much for us. You know?
It's gonna be hard to do.
What do you mean it's going to be hard to do?